will miss the abilities that Kang'ethe demonstrated and practiced. Koguo njuge nĩndaigua kwĩna ikaya haha tondu these are friends, this is family. Before I say something about the greetings go to me too, I want to say that thirikari ĩrĩ ekuo ikiruta wĩra. I would call for support for the government. And I know that we have worked well together. I know that there are many strategies that we are speaking to you people. In terms of Murang'a being the CS from this county, I want to assure the county that we will work holistically to ensure that Murang'a is part of the development programs that we are rolling out from my ministry and even other ministries, because Moses, you know, we will continue to push his side. I will pull my side. In terms of programs for housing, Murang'a County will not be left behind in rolling out housing programs in each and every constituency. Kihungi tutaanza kwako, Kandara imeanza, tutaenda Katanga, Maragua is on the line, and I want to believe that we will be able to even do several affordable housing units in Murang'a County. Na nyumba ni njega, dikwenda andũ a Murang'a moigwe atĩ kwĩna bara ya nyũmba mũno, mũgĩcoka gũthiĩ kũrora na no ithuĩ tũrĩ ethindo, mũkore nĩ ciagũrirwo na nĩ ciakire atĩa, nĩ ciathirire ona kũrĩ ona inegene. Gũtirĩ na mũgũnda ũratuĩka mũgũnda wa thirikari ũroywo nĩkĩ ũgaka nyũmba ĩkanengerwo kama. May I clarify? Indo ciothe nĩ cia mũingĩ. Mĩgũnda na mbeca. Maũndũ marĩa mothe thirikari ĩramataga on behalf ya mũingĩ. But this specific one, it's a housing unit. Remember, we also pay school fees to individual children. Tukoya bia, tukagĩa na formula ya kuga mwana wa Kamau nĩ arabatara mbeca cia bithi na mwana ũrĩa ũngĩ may not qualify. In a way, that is government money. We have projects like irrigation projects that benefit a small group. Ti mũingĩ wothe, group ĩkeyũnga, ĩgoka, ĩgaikia application, ĩkaheo project ya kũrĩma. Tũgekĩra mbeca hau, na icio tũtinegenaga. No kakarahũthĩrwo kũhota kũruta wĩra wa kũhe andũ nyũmba. Hena kanyamũ kaũndũ kangĩ kararehwo, gagatambio mũno, atĩ nĩ tũkuoya igoti gũkũ mĩgũnda-inĩ ĩno ya freehold. Of course, the land around, most of it is freehold. Ũcio ti ũhoro wa ma. We will not come to collect levy from your freehold land. Not when I'm the CS for lands, and I stand here as the CS for lands. Tokwaya freehold Iria isire thĩinĩ wa city. Kũrĩa kwĩna services iria itarĩ na harĩa Mũrũka haitu. So just know, if you are in the city of Nairobi, if you are in the city of Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret, Nakuru, 5 cities, there nĩtũkũgĩa na ka discussion now nĩgetha wambĩrĩrie kũheana kĩndũ kĩnini. And this money is not going to an individual. Nĩ igoti ritũ. Thirdly, nĩgetha hige, there is a housing levy bill is in Parliament. We have already done public participation through Parliament. Koguo mwaigua gĩũka, mwĩtĩkĩre tu go support. The affordable housing will focus on 200,000 houses per year. Ati nĩ tũratarget president yatũtongoretie gwaka nyũmba 200,000. No mũng'ethanĩro ndũngĩenda tũrĩkie wĩra ũcio. Tondũ obviously they are doing their work to critique, to criticize, and to check the government. And I want to confirm that nyũmba nĩtwambĩrĩirie kwendia haha makenji ciĩho from 750,000 to 1.5 social houses. Affordable housing 1.5, to 3.9 million. Icio ingi kuma milioni ithathatu market rates. We will also do housing in Kandara, and everywhere we have a housing program nitugwaka thoko na thoko irio my ministry. Therefore Kihungi nirakuona haha ni uradindikaga ni undu wa thoko ya kuu kwanyu Karugia iyo tutajenga ni uwi nituiguithanirie ona nitumiotheire ngararia kwina thoko yambiriirie kuria Kigumo Kangari irahanite tekwamite tutamaliza na niheanite instructions haha Muthithi ni instructions Kavati nitukurora ningaithiriirie thoko. I hope haria wa Iria akite thoko hau, I hope mugunda ni ukuigana wa gwaka thoko hau Kavati nigetha atumia aria othe mendagiria hau nja makorokira. Koguo ndauma kwa mairi ona guku to nginya ndigethe niki gikuo turehe guku tugitwara kuri kugi au hangi o kwina mikora migundo na kuo Murang'a. Mmeniona nikipigana na wakora neguka no korwo wi mwana waria maratunya na migunda gwiciria ndoko ngioka nawe othie mwena uriku mwena uyu tondu we will not allow people to kill people silently, quietly through fraudulent dealings. Ninataka nikiweza nikomeshe mambo ya wizi ya mashamba, na ni lazima wale wamezoea kunyanyasa mashamba ambaye sio yao wakitumia ofisi yangu ama wakitumia ujuzi yeyote ya ukora lazima wakome. Ndikwenda gukiria hau no ni gutumitwo ni His Excellency the Deputy President ni ekundumite na kindu kia go support this family. Arwacio akwa me kuri mbai nao ni mugihete nigetha dige haha ni gwirite Mheshimiwa Deputy President turai nake hwae ni ndiroko umuthi guku aranengera 300,000 cia this family na githe hau ti hega mumenye mumenye fertilizer ni turagura neguka na 2,500 na riu mumirehe guku itige guthie na haria Kianda peke yake every sub county kugia na fertilizer very fast. On my part niguheo namba nigwikira 50,000 cia gwikira kiundu giki kia mundu gwitwo Kangethe family yake na nindirarehete musumari wakwa Ngai amurathime wa Iria riu kaba uke mweno witu tondu tariu ungituma mundu gwitwo Habire onwo ni Wanjakoya na ni uria Habire akoragwo ari subua akiruta wira riu angicoka nyitwo ni Wanjakoya ahota gukorwo ena majira maingi muno. Koguo hatuna tugienda andu othe macokanirire Murang'a politics. Let us not be the people to be seen to be championing diversionary. Dikwenda gusita divisive but diversionary politics. Let us pull together in support of the president and his deputy president. Hana twakinya 2027 ri ale sinari angi othe marenda mundu kwibanga haria gwika uria nginya kwaura I recognize all of you. Then those people on a Moses to akaugodu on Aris to akaugodu, but for now let us support politics of uniting the entire Mount Kenya region. I believe that even the honorable former governor will soon be joining us. Thank you very much.